Retains factory features in select Honda vehicles while functioning with an aftermarket radio. Pre-programmed to retain steering wheel controls. Retains factory auxiliary input. Includes antenna adapter. Included components. Module. Harness. Antenna adapter. The CRUX SWRHN-62B is a radio replacement interface for select Honda vehicles. It facilitates the integration of an aftermarket radio to enable retention of certain factory features when replacing a factory-installed radio, and is also pre-programmed for retention of steering wheel controls. Top reviews from the United States. Does it all: head unit, antenna and steering wheel controls with little fuss. This is a great harness. Once connected, everything just worked. From steering wheel control to antenna to head unit.